Hey there guys, how are you doing today? So I've got some great news for you. So any of you guys who are looking for a new website where you want to kind of develop a website that makes you stand out from the crowd, that makes you have this expert authority, this expert positioning, and allows people to easily find out more about what it is you do, who you are, and become leads, become paying clients much easier. Okay, we need to have a really powerful and simple website for you to kind of put your brand out there online. Because as you know, if you're an online coach and you're selling one-on-one coaching services, you're selling group coaching services, you just want to sell a course, you need to kind of get more booked calls. What we first need to do is we need to build some type of know, like, and trust with our potential clients, with our leads. And what a lot of people do in that process of finding out who you are is they want to find out, they want to Google you potentially. They want to look at your website, see what type of reviews you have, see what you offer, see the bigger picture. They might even go check you out on other social media platforms as well. Okay, but one of the core things they want to do is check out your website. Okay, that's like a big thing that we've seen a lot of people talk about when it comes to this. So what I've done for you guys is I've actually put together a really cool coaching website template. Okay, and what this is actually, it's a 20-page website template. You get 20 pages with this. You don't have to use them all. Okay, but they're there for you if you need them. It's already fully set up. It's already fully connected. Okay, with a couple of simple little tweaks, you can easily change all of your branding. You can change all of your logos. You get all of the images that you need for the entire website done for you in Canva. So those images, you just take over, you import them into your Canva account. You change out the image for you, and then you go and upload it to the system, and then you do it from there. So what I want to do today is just want to dive into showing you this really cool website template, because right now I literally don't want a penny for this. I just want to help you guys get your business off the ground. I want to help you guys get your business to where you want it to scale to where you want to be. And I really know that this is going to have a huge impact on a lot of you guys out there. So for a very limited time, I'm giving away 20 copies of this coaching website template for totally free. Right now, you can check it out on my website, okay, on systemsandscale.digital, in our shop section where we have our coaching website template up for sale on there for $1,497. Okay, so it's really cool. So you're getting all of that for free right now if you're one of the first people that we speak to get this up and running. And we're even going to do it in implementation call with you as well. So let's just jump straight into it. So this is pretty much how the website looks at the moment. It's very feminine, very soft. Don't worry, you can change all that. It doesn't have to be feminine, it doesn't have to be soft at all. You can change these brand colors, you can change the font easily with a click of a button, okay? You can literally update your brand color in one area, and it will update that brand color across the entire website everywhere, okay, which is really cool. So as you can see, this is the home page. So imagine if this was your home page now, okay, if you're like a business coach or somebody. She is the business coach in this example. So we have this, people land on this page, they see a picture of you to the right-hand side, they see your logo, they see the other options they have. We have call to actions everywhere, because one of the biggest drawbacks with websites that I see is there's just too much information, not enough call to action. Okay, whereas what websites should be is they should be more of a funnel hub. Okay, Russell Brunson kind of came up with that analogy, I believe, which is where your website just links people into funnels. Okay, so what we've done is we've added call to actions everywhere. So what you'll be able to see here is at the top right, we have our call to action to book a free strategy call. We've got a call to action right here in the hero section. We've got call to actions right here as well when we take it down to the next level as well. Okay, call to actions everywhere. We've got an opportunity here to try and capture some leads as well. So imagine if this was your website and somebody came to see who it is that you are. We can immediately hit them hard as soon as you land on your website with what it is you do and how you help them, and a call to action for them if they want that, if they want to receive, if they want that benefit, if they want that result. Click here and I'll show you how, pretty much. So if somebody clicks on this, let me see if I load it up in a new tab. What it's going to do is that's actually going to take them to a VSL call booking page, which again is already linked for you, okay? So as you can see, it brings people to this page here. So again, we've got this powerful headline at the top here, which again, you can change to be whatever's right for you. Here is where you will have a VSL, so a video sales letter, where we talk about, and where you can talk about how they can get that result. And then your call to action is to book a call. They click schedule a free call, pops up your calendar, which again is already linked up you get all that stuff already linked. They book a call with you, and then you get them onto a call and close them as a client. That's done as soon as they land on your website. It's done right there on the hero section, and it's also done up at the top right where we've got the free strategy call. So moving down here on this homepage, we have this little section for as featured in. So if you've got any kind of like things that you can talk about, like I was featured on entrepreneurship.com or BBC or whatever it is, you can put those logos there just for like some social proof. The next part down here is we've got your 3 steps to your business success. So what we find with a lot of kind of coaching programs is there's at least 3 core aspects of the program that most people go through. So we've just kind of utilized that there, and we've built out these 3 core areas here. So as you can see, step 1 is find and attract your ideal client. Step 2 is become the expert in your customer's eyes. And step 3 is building your marketing automation systems. That doesn't have to be yours. Yours can be whatever it is. Okay, this is just an example, of course. But we give you these images, these background images again in Canva that you can easily change and update the systems with that as well. And of course, you can update all this copy here as well. This button, again, links back to your call button VSL page here. And as you can see, we've got little notes here that tells you certain parts on desktop and mobile will need edited separately for this section. So what I've done in the training, when you kind of come to setting up yourself in the training, I take you through that process anyway, so you understand what needs to be edited. So you get full training on how to do this as well. Here we have a little brief introduction about who you are. Again, we've got our fictional character here, Emily Harper. So a little bit about who you are there. Your mission. I've got this really cool little call to action area here for if people want to receive daily tips on how to get a particular result. You can be like, sign up to my email list, my sign up to receive daily tips on how to get XYZ. Okay, then they can enter their details in there. That's already connected to an ongoing email sequence that you can literally just put in there. Your daily tips. You can have like 90 days worth of emails going out, and so every day you are getting content in front of your audience, and it's fully automated as well. So that's something else we can do with this system as well. Here we have pretty much your offers, the ways that somebody can work with you. We've got our business academy, which again, that could just be your online course. If you want to be, it doesn't have to be called business academy. One-to-one coaching. Then we've got our business mastermind, which again could just be group coaching in that regard. And these again link to those particular pages that we have. So this is linked to your Academy sales page. This one's linked to your VSL page. And this one again is linked to the Mastermind sales page. And you get those sales pages included with this as well. Let me see if I can show you here. So these are all the pages you pretty much get here. So you get your home page, you got your blog page, your about page, call booking VSL, call booking success page, your work with me pages, Mastermind and Academy sales pages. You got thank you pages for when people do sign up and stuff. You've got checkout pages, you've got coming soon error pages. So you've got everything you would need to successfully have your online presence online, okay, as an online coach, selling your coaching services, okay? So as you can see, it's really, really super cool. Then down from here on the home page, we have our little area for some client testimonials here that you can add in there. We've got another call to action to come and join your Facebook group, so you can do that. And then lastly, down at the bottom, we have our free downloads, again, which these free downloads are actually linked to 3 lead magnet funnels, which you're getting access to this as well. So these are linked to them. So again, if you have like a freebie here, you can call us whatever you want, but that if somebody clicks download now, that'll take them over to where they can download that from as well. And same with these as well. And the really cool thing, again, I've tried to make it super easy for you. You just update this image once, and it updates that image across the entire website, okay? You just update this name here for the lead magnet number 1. It updates that across the entire website and the funnel. So it's really, really cool and really quick and easy for you to get started. Same applies for your logos. Update your logo in one place. It updates everywhere. Same applies for your links as well, like privacy policy, terms of use, contact us, those type of things. Update them once and it updates everywhere. And same applies for your business name as well. You haven't got to go into every page and update the business name. It'll just update everywhere. And that's how quick and it's really quick and easy to get started with that. So if I take you over to, let's just have a look at the work with me page here. You're not only just getting a website with this, guys, just to let you know, you are also getting a templated membership area or like a course area. And you're also getting like the ongoing automations and everything as well with this too. So we have all little areas here where if people are just interested in knowing the options to working with you, yes, we talk about this on the homepage, but we also talk about it here. So they can click learn more and that'll take them to the appropriate pages. Okay. We have our call to action here again, as you can see, for the daily tips. That is also on the That there is also on the about page. It's not on the sales pages though, because I don't want distraction from the sales pages. But this is the about page. So again, we just changed this image of Emily to you. To change the text, again, you've got like spaces to put the like things that you've done here. So what a lot of people do here is, they've helped 500 other coaches, they've helped 500 business owners, they've helped companies to become 20% more productive, or whatever it is that their kind of targets and goals are here. Then you can just put an image that represents that type of fact there as well. Again, these type of images of Emily here, again, they're all in Canva, so you can easily update it in Canva and just re-import it, and it'll change that image for you there as well. And again, like I said, we've got the call to actions here again, and if people click on this button, it takes them back to the call booking VSL page, as we've already discussed previously. Okay, so really, really quick and easy to do that. So let's just quickly move on. So if we have a quick look at the Academy page, and guys, just let you know, I'm always updating these as well. So if there is a more up-to-date version comes out, then again, I'll let you know on that, and you can get access to it. But this is just one of our kind of sales pages we have. We've got a placeholder for a video at the top. We have like the kind of who this is for, what's the biggest challenge and obstacles it's for, what they're going to get, some testimonial sections here. Again, who it's for, your offer stack. We've got all these cool things. We've got future pacing, guarantee. Again, I'm probably going to be updating this as well soon to a bit more of a even more powerful sales page, so you'll get access to that too as well. So if we have a quick look at the members area that you get as well here. Okay, so as you can see here, you get access to this little pre-built membership area as well, where you can update this however you like, update the logo, the imagery, all this stuff. So even if you want to kind of build out a course, you've got access to build out the course here as well, and even sell the course directly through the couple of sales pages you're getting there as well. Okay, so that's super cool. Right, what else are you getting? So, this one here. So you're also getting access to, as I mentioned previously, a bunch of kind of follow-on email sequences as well. So here, as you can see, we've got our lead magnet nurture follow-on sequences. We've got our ban and cart sequences. We've got our people purchase. We've got if somebody fills in the contact form to notify you to get back in time with them, get back in touch with them. We've got your pipeline. So if somebody does become a new lead, it's automatically going to update your opportunities pipeline. Okay, and that allows you to kind of track where people are on the process of a new lead to where they are going to be. So as you can see, we've got a new lead, we've got booked call, qualified, hot lead, all this stuff as well. So all this is pre-built in. We've got your contact area, so you get your contact list will build out directly in here as well. You've got your calendars, so this is where all your calendars will be here as well, and your conversations, where you can have two-way conversations, whether or not that is text message, email, Facebook, Google My Business, Instagram, TikTok even, you've got that. And you've even got access to, in the marketing tools, you've even got access to the social planner. Okay, so the cool thing is as I'm sure you're aware, you as I've already mentioned, you're getting this entire website template completely free of charge. You're getting access to all those following email sequences and the funnels and the membership area, all pre-built and pre-templated for you, completely free of charge. And as I mentioned to you previously, I am charging $1,497 here on my website, which, as you can see here, so this is the page that I normally sell this on. Okay, right here. You can take a look at this if you want to, but if we just kind of scroll down to the bottom here, as you can see, it's huge value in itself for everything that we're getting access to here as well. But the actual price that I am charging for this is $1,497. Okay, and that doesn't include the software either. So right now, as I mentioned, I'm giving this whole template away for completely free of charge. For the first 20 people, sorry, not to everyone, for the first 20 people that kind of get access to this, you're going to have this free of charge. You're going to have an implementation call with me to get you set up with the software. And all you have to do is just pay for the software cost. That is it, okay? So if you're wanting to kind of get your business online and you want to get this up and running, and you want to kind of get your website looking super professional, you want to have that online presence, that online brand that you feel proud of, that you're willing to kind of put out there and show the world, and will just make you feel much more confident in your ability to sell your services as a coach, because you know you're backing up. Every time you kind of put a new post out there, people do Google you, people do search for you. They're just going to see this really professional looking brand, this really professional looking coach that is that has the shit together ultimately, okay? And lot of the time, if people see you say something or see a service and they go Google you and they find nothing of you, or if they find a really badly designed website, that's just going to decrease the chance of them actually want to hire you, because they're not going to feel very confident in your ability as an established coach, because people want to work with businesses that are established and that are credible. Okay, and this is exactly what this is going to give you, that established and credibility there as well. All right, guys, so that's it from me. As I mentioned, if you are interested in getting access to this, all you need to do right now to become one of the first 20 is just leave a comment below this video, okay? Just leave the comment website, and what we'll do is we'll reach out to you in the DMs. We'll reply to your comment, reach out to you in the DMs, and we'll arrange to have a conversation with you about this, okay? But if you have any other questions whatsoever, we can have that discussion. But also, just to let you know, is the software cost, as I mentioned, that's all you have to pay for to get access to this, is only $97 per month, okay? And with that, you get access to the entire platform, all the email and marketing capabilities, SMS marketing capabilities. You get access to the CRM, the funnel builder, the website builder, the membership builder. You get access to surveys, forms, reporting, everything. Honestly, it's like a complete all-in-one platform that you would normally have to be spending at least $500 per month on, okay, to get access to all these tools that you're going to get with this platform. So again, if you are interested, leave that comment below on our website, and I'll get in touch with you really soon to get you set up with this coaching website template. All right, guys, but if you have any questions as well, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them. So that's it for me. Take care. I'll speak to you soon.